Hello everyone, back again. Welcome to one another short video bringing me today. Today I'm going to make one video about financial financial video. Be one video whereby me sabe helpem Yumi lo continue lo working from home Yumi. Suppose you start go through lo internet, you start go through lo Facebook, mo you start look someone or you start kat meeting through lo Zoom, or you start hire one man you tell them say kat meeting through lo Zoom. Or something where you start call him na ya, new normal where you start call him na ya. One way you start making is you start at all virtual meeting. Then you no go work, you work from home. You got all platform where you start or you have helping you make a virtual meeting. Virtual meeting any time where you make a meeting online. You got one platform where you have helping you. Even though you install a house, but you still have a connect online where you make a meeting with each other or colleagues. Yeah? So the video let me go through with you how now you have a installem or use Zoom or smartphone. You suppose you got one smartphone, or use the haram say all colleague you start at meeting lo one something where one online meeting lo Zoom. You use have a part lehem too. So you follow me the video by me explaining you how now you have install Zoom inside the phone you. You have be part with them all friends you or colleagues you like at online meeting together. Any easy no more. So you use that one app where you able you come or you download them or something or send TikTok, Messenger, Facebook, and maybe say max something no more. So bear with me the video, follow me the video by him to go through how now you have download them one Zoom app, by me helping you, you connect with them all. What colleague play you all meeting where you've left the card. Thank you. You must take a small video to help me more through the situation where you start go through them and you will normal video. So follow me the video here and we'll go through together. See you. Okay, so suppose you start following my video me naya by me come to demonstrate them how now you miss have find them but me go through the me how me find them Zoom one something where you call them Zoom. So Zoom you call a Play Store blue, you may run with Play Store or smartphone blue me call a Play Store and double place here you click on the search button here, you look at them Zoom, type them in Zoom ZOOM. Finish, you click the search button here. By me take you go inside lo Zoom. You look me from semi download them Zoom finish inside lo phone with me after me show me no me open but suppose you download them Zoom yet by me got one option lo green space here instead lo opening them out by me tell them say you install lo phone blue. So once you install lo phone blue by you look at small icon or small picture where me stop lo side lo Zoom me one blue background with them one white one form of one camera icon stop them. So I mean Zoom. You have download them. Time you ready after you open them. Time when you ready, but you come inside lo apps player, but you look at me come out of some Zoom. You just click them no more. You go inside. Time you go inside, by take you go you go now, but you must go register. Naya some say me register me one finish stop. Time where by you come inside you just accept them by me ask him you one email address you register him. So that's when by you register him you register him you inside them. So me register for them Gmail blue me so now wait you me try sign out after by me go back again blue me look how now you me register him that you become inside lo Zoom no more you me open them after you me register. Small time. Sorry, I think network for me good little bit. Okay, so let me outlook please service time. Okay, so him and I Zoom. Me come back inside the place. Me go me sign out finish. Then me come inside. By him then you come inside the Zoom. By him show me one option or semana. Ali you just go. You go. So you sign up yet? You stay inside the Zoom meet. You must sign up. You must sign up. Please step inside lo
Zoom. So you no sign up yet, but when you give him one link normally you join one meeting, you have go you click normal join meeting also you put link plo meeting you go inside the place, but you must provide man where him host the meeting by him provide one link lo you link and you put go inside there after by him allow him you join a meeting where him also host them time him host the meeting by me send them one invitation link he come lo you. So in our case suppose you got one email address finish we want to sign up you come lo you want to sign up you have a sign up and then you some sign up place here after by you give him every detail below place here, right? Me from me got email address finish but me sign in no more with the Google account below me when me me got finish so you have a sign in with the Google too Google or Facebook so I sign in with the Google or Facebook me sign in with the Google. Okay, so how you use Zoom you must have a download them Zoom you come lo phone Yumi me one effective way where me save him Yumi blow Yumi cut social distancing but you still connect me communicate with them all communicate with them all workmates blue me or team meeting where you make out so hemi Zoom then we connect it go inside you go finish after you launch them Zoom now then you launch them Zoom but you ready now you stay inside. So anytime where one money host the one meeting or you have a host a meeting you have a host a meeting more you got man where me host a meeting by me give him link come but you want to host a meeting you go click lo new meeting lo place after you have a start meeting ale you semna okay. So maybe how you use Zoom you miss have download them Zoom you come lo phone you me after you use Zoom. Okay, so small something when we want to give him the site lo Zoom. They'll give one link lo you go lo join no more place or so link only give him lo email you click lo link no more but you should take him you come go inside lo so you use your phone you click lo link but you should take him you come inside lo Zoom or you go straight lo meeting. So this is how you set up a Zoom app on your phone. Lo you have a cut communication more cut access lo all team meetings lo workplace. Thank you for joining me lo small illustration and yes you are needing more information you have a connect lo YouTube channel or put one comment below please clarify some information. Thank you back again. Tata everyone.